Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and a view into Huck's world, and it's time to get back on the Monday grind. I hope you guys had the greatest weekend ever. I know I did. It was very relaxful. Got some things done. And with that being said, we got a nice, awesome watch face again by Bergen. I couldn't resist this one. It's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. You know the drill. Download ASAP. Now this one is nice. I like what Bergen brought to the table. I want to thank him for the donation he has been given in the Gear Manager store. And I'm giving this watch face 3 thumbs up out the gate. Now let's take a closer look at it. Now the name of it is called New Masera. It's a very nice looking dress down everyday watch face. Again, it's going to fit the work week perfectly. Now in AOD mode, it's going to be dimmed down in a gray theme. It's going to have a little color. You will be able to see your digital time and your info at a glance with no problem. Once the watch face is on, what you're going to get with this watch face is your step goal completed. I haven't been anywhere. I haven't worn my watch, but right there where the flag is, once you start working out and walking, it's going to show up there just like it is for your battery info right there as well. Now what you're going to get is your goal completed. You're going to get your battery information. You're also going to get the day of the week. You're going to get your date, and you're also going to get your month, and you're going to get a nice big bold legible digital time as well. Now you get your step status down here. You're going to get your goal completed, your steps, and also calories burned and floors climbed. Your heart rate information is going to be over here. And I thought again, definitely this was a good look. And it also has a floating second hand, which gives you a hint of an analog theme look, which isn't bad. I like this blended look. Now it is interactive. So if I tap here, I can set a favorite, and I can also tap here. You get 2 in all, and I can set a favorite there as well. Now, if I tap at the top, I can go into my settings, tweak my watch however I see fit. If I tap over here, I can go into my step status info, and right here, if I double tap, I can change the color to a couple of different colors. That's it. That's all. And if I tap here, I can go into my heart rate information, and of course, if I tap here, I can get my battery info. Now, if I want to change the color theme, just simply tap in the middle, double tap, and you can change the color theme of this watch face to a few different colors and all. They're all nice. Again, this is a great dress down watch face for the work week. Question is, at the end of the day, what do you think? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you're going to be downloading this watch face or not. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.